Hi, welcome back. Today we're unboxing and testing the Retekess TE201, an FDA-cleared over-the-counter RIC hearing aid designed for mild to moderate hearing loss. This small, discreet device promises smart noise reduction, long battery life, and easy charging. Let's see what it can do. So inside of the box, you'll find the TE201 hearing aid, a magnetic charging block with a digital display, which is very nice, the charging cable, multi-size ear tips, a storage case for travel as well, a cleaning tool, brush, and an anti-loss lanyard. Everything you need is right here to get started immediately. So these feature a smart noise reduction and a 16-channel chip. Filters background noise, improves speech clarity, and delivers crystal clear sound with up to 45 plus 5 dB again. Dual microphones capture sound accurately from your surroundings for a natural listening experience. 4 modes, easily switch modes with the side button, ideal for indoor, outdoor, meeting, or TV settings. Memory function, it remembers your last setting even after power off. Plus a delayed auto on to reduce feedback howling. Long battery life, one charge gives you up to 8 hours per earpiece. The 500 mAh dock fully recharges them up to 4 times for about 32 to 40 hours total use. Magnetic charging block. Just drop the earpiece in, no fiddling and no tiny ports to deal with. Auto power on. Simply put it in your ear and it turns on in about 5 seconds. No buttons required. It also has a low battery alarm, so it's an audible alert to let you know the charge is getting low. IPX2 protection helps resist sweat and any moisture. Comfortable and discreet, flesh-colored tone, lightweight and small enough to wear all day. I've been using the TE201 indoors, outdoors, and in very busy environments. Speech is noticeably clear, especially with the noise reduction on. The 4 modes let me fine-tune it quickly. I use indoor for conversations and outdoor when I'm walking or in the park. Today was amazing. I wish you were there. We received the biggest applause. Okay, great. Yes. Oh, you're welcome. I'm glad you like it. The magnetic charging block is generally pretty handy, and the battery easily lasts me a full day. It's not Bluetooth, but for a straightforward OTC hearing aid, it's very impressive. If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use hearing aid with advanced noise reduction and reliable battery life, the Retekess TE201 is definitely worth a look. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check the current price and the full specs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more reviews.